Syncwire clear cable clips, cord holders for organized living. Tired of tangled cords cluttering your space? Syncwire clear cable clips are the perfect solution for sleek and hassle-free cable management. Designed with versatility in mind, these self-adhesive clips keep your cords neatly arranged, making them ideal for homes, offices, cars, and more. With 5 packs providing 15 slots in total, you can organize everything from charging cables and headphone wires to USB cords and power cables. These transparent cable holders blend seamlessly into any environment, whether on desks, nightstands, cubicles, or countertops. Their strong adhesive backing ensures they stay securely in place on various surfaces without leaving residue when removed. Practical yet stylish, Syncwire cable clips make excellent gift ideas for men, women, dads, and moms, bringing convenience and tidiness to any setting. Concerning this item, multipurpose cord holders. This 5-pack of 15 slots transparent cable clip holders comes in a variety of sizes, making it the ideal size to satisfy your everyday needs at home and at work. Maintain a tidy and orderly desk. Are you sick of all the connections and wires in your car, on your cell phone, and surrounding your computer? These cord organizers make ideal presents. Excellent for your headphones, chargers, power cords, USB cables, gaming consoles, laptops, Ethernet, HDMI, TVs, and wires for musical instruments. Adhesive cable clips. This desk phone cord holder includes a powerful 3M adhesive pad that sticks to any clean, smooth surface in the house or workplace, including walls, desks, and glass, plastic, metal, or wood tables. Installing it is simple. No screws or hammering holes are required. The high-quality, environmentally friendly silicone substance used to make these cable organizer clips bends readily and inserts cables smoothly. Small tips. Before attaching our wire holder, please make sure the desk surface is smooth, clean, and free of dust, oil, and water for optimal operation. And after fixation, leave it for at least a few hours. 24 hours is preferable.